So, welcome to our Australian Network for Plant Conservation's 14th Australasian Plant Conservation Conference here in Toowoomba.
Fantastic APCC15, wonderful conference. Really enjoyed working with people here, meeting people, all the latest discussions on threatened plant conservation and science.
And we've had 3 days of basically information exchange, but at a level that's been accessible, I think, for people from different sectors, so researchers, land managers, practitioners, restoration.
There's such a rich tapestry. We had people from the Kimberley, North Queensland. We virtually got a bit of a picture of what was happening continentally.
And rather than having to filter through the program and find the ones on plants, it's all been on plants.
But I was able to pick up a lot of advocacy type tips from other experts in the room.
There's some really fantastic and amazing work being done on the genetic diversity of species that I really was completely unaware of, and I'm really pleased to find and get to know some of the people who are doing that work.
I found it really inspiring, the people who are working on threats, whether that's Myrtle Rust or dieback or megafires, how they remain hopeful in the face of adversity.
It's fabulous to see these experts, the science, but also highlights the fact that, you know, we have 1,400 threatened plant species. These are the people who are trying to save them. They're using expert knowledge. They just need more help from government, more help from philanthropy.
I've learnt some new approaches and some potential new funding sources for the conservation work that we're all aiming to do. But most importantly, I've made some new friends.